Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I put a post in by myself and get it straight to the other fence. So I've got this fence post already anchored solid. I cut a spacer 2x4, the exact length that I want. Now if I was putting a panel in here, I would extend that spacer by 1/4 inch to allow for variances in the panel. So I put my 2x4 in the bottom and I ratchet strap it to the existing post, only putting tension on the new post in the hole. Then I go ahead and I put a 2x4 up top that's a bit longer and I squeeze clamp it in place. And this has given me a rough idea of the distance between the two, top and bottom. I can go ahead and level the top of the post with the 2x4 at the top by loosening the clamp and adjusting it accordingly. And then I drive stakes into the ground, front and back, with a pointed edge on them, and then I level the post this way, securing the stakes to the post. I also run a string line down the fence line just to confirm that this post is sitting parallel to all the rest of the posts. So I bring it in just until it just touches, and it just touches all the posts all the way along, so I know that I'm perfectly lined up and the post is not twisted in the hole. So I double check for plumb, and I also make sure that when I have this 2x4 in the bottom that it's cut straight, and I square the 2x4 in here just by tapping it with a hammer, both sides. And then I check my tension on my strap, make sure this is just secured sitting here. It can't go this way now because it's secured, and if you have a tall one like this, you can use ratchet strap top and bottom if you like. These posts are driven right into the ground firmly, so I have zero rock back and forth. This is rock solid, ready to pour concrete, and it's perfectly square and plumb, measured top and bottom and double checked. And there it is, a one-man job for a perfect post set. Thanks for watching.